Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer TRX from Revolut to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Revolut and want to move it to your MetaMask wallet for more control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for security to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with TRX in it, and MetaMask installed on your device. If you haven't already, add the Tron network to MetaMask because TRX runs on the Tron blockchain, not Ethereum. To do this, open MetaMask, go to Settings, then Networks, and add a custom RPC with the Tron details. You can find the exact RPC URL in the Tron documentation or online resources. Once that's done, Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and switch to the Tron network. Copy your Tron wallet address. That's the long string of characters you'll need for the transfer. Double-check it to avoid sending your TRX to the wrong place. Step 2. Head over to your Revolut app. Navigate to your crypto section, select TRX, and look for the withdraw or transfer option. Paste the Tron address you copied from MetaMask into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and review the fees. Revolut might charge a small network fee, so keep that in mind. Step 3. Confirm the transaction. Revolut will send a confirmation code to your phone or email. Enter it to proceed. Once approved, sit tight as the transfer processes. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. A quick tip. Always use this on a secure network and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. You're all set to manage your TRX in MetaMask. This gives you more flexibility for staking, trading, or just holding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.